reason, I could not do so. And after that, the corona pandemic started, and gradually today the corona is on declining. So we made some program to visit the Buddhist monastic institutions, the Tibetan settlements, where hundreds of Ladakhi students, as well as the students from various Himalayan region states, the Indian citizens obviously, and also students from Nepal, Tibet, Bhutan, and Mongolia. So we came here to meet all of you to know how may we help you through the government of India, through Ladakh government, and through the society of Ladakh. Because I know the hardship of a student life. During my study in Jammu, I used to be a very active member of student community. By the time we had all Ladakh Student Association in Jammu. In 2009, I represented as a college member in the student union, and later I became the general secretary of the student association, and then I was elected, unanimously elected as the president of that student union. And by the time, we tried our best to solve the various issues like scholarship issues, boarding, hostel, admission. Because, as you all know, Ladakh is a very backward area, as well as climatically. It's a very harsh, we have very harsh winter. And above that, we didn't have any higher educational institutions, like you have lots of IIT institutions, medical institutions, engineering institutions here in Karnataka. But in Ladakh, there were only few degree colleges with limited subjects, especially the arts streams. None of sciences, no medical colleges, no universities. And by the time we thought, now we have to struggle for establish the institution in Ladakh itself. Sometimes I used to say, we Ladakhi students are educational refugees. We are also the same citizen as of you of independent country, but without having any good institution in Ladakh, by compulsion we have to travel a lot of cities, bearing all the expenses, the economical burden, and also depriving from the cultural identity of Ladakh. Yeah, it's a good thing. We are gaining lots of exposure. We are learning the Indian culture. But at the same time, a very small kid, a very small children, students had to travel a lot and bearing all this heat environment, fear of all environment. And these are the challenges. So we stood with the student union and we demanded Central University in Ladakh, we demanded colleges and many things. And gradually I thought, now we have to involve in active politics. You see, I remember an English chapter where Mahatma Gandhi, the great father of nation, says students should shun politics. But I differ, my opinion. Because if we shun politics, if we stay away from active politics, and politics is the health of affair, politics deciding everything. And how we can stay away from politics? Whether you are interested in politics or not, but politics is definitely interested in you. That's why I decided to be in politics. In active politics, not only the supporter and worker in the voter, but active politics. And gradually we faced lots of challenges, and I fought, 2 elections. And by grace of Lord Buddha, and by grace of our loving people, I got elected as a councillor in Ladakh with a huge margin, and later in 2019, I became Member of Parliament. People have showered a huge love and also trust.
And then I got the opportunity to fight in Parliament for my constituency, for my people, especially for my student community. And it's a very, tenure is very short, the 5 years, and we have to put everything in this 5 years. So try it out, and hopefully, and today I must say we are satisfied because we have passed only 2.5 years, and in this half tenure we achieved Central University in Ladakh. We could establish University of Ladakh. Obviously, at the beginning stage, at the initial stage, with few subjects, but it's going on. And also, we got sanctioned medical college also, and engineering college also. So, lots of developmental work, especially in educational sector, is happening in Ladakh. So, it will take time to become a full-fledged and to stand in there. But still, the beginning is happening. So, this is good thing. And today, I'm very happy here. Lots of students from Ladakh to Arunachal Pradesh, in various states, are here studying, pursuing your education. My best wishes, students must focus on your study at this age, because this age is the most important stage in life. If we lose this stage, we cannot get it again. So that's why my